Miwa's Insect Adventure, exploring the world of bugs. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, a little girl named Miwa embarked on a magical journey. Miwa, with her eyes full of wonder, was eager to learn about the tiny creatures that buzzed, fluttered, and hopped in the world around her. Today, she was on a quest to discover the fascinating world of insects. As Miwa stepped into the vibrant heart of the forest, the first friends she met were the beautiful butterflies. Their wings were like delicate paintings, each with its own story. Gently, she held a caterpillar in her hand, marveling at its transformation. A guide explained how the caterpillar would become a chrysalis and then a magnificent butterfly. Miwa's eyes widened in amazement at this miracle of nature. Next, Miwa met the hardworking bees. Dressed in a protective suit, she approached a buzzing beehive. The beekeeper showed her how bees create honey, and Miwa watched their intricate dance. She learned that each bee plays a special role in the life of the hive, especially in pollination. Then, it was time to meet the ants. Lying on her stomach, Miwa watched a line of ants march tirelessly, each carrying food back to their nest. She learned about the different roles in an ant colony, from the worker ants to the queen. Miwa was amazed at their strength and teamwork. The cicadas were next. With a special device, Miwa listened to their loud chorus. The naturalist explained the cicadas' life cycle, including their many years underground before emerging to sing their songs. Miwa was fascinated by their unique way of communication. As dusk fell, the forest lit up with a magical glow of fireflies. Miwa caught some in a jar, watching them light up, and then let them go. She learned about bioluminescence and the fireflies' way of communicating through light. The charming ladybugs, with their red and black spots, were Miwa's next encounter. Through a magnifying glass, she observed a ladybug munching on aphids. Miwa learned how ladybugs help keep garden plants healthy by eating pests. Although not an insect, the clever spider intrigued Miwa next. She watched a spider weaving its web, a masterpiece of nature. A biologist explained the different types of webs and the spider's role in the ecosystem. In a grassy field, Miwa observed grasshoppers leaping high. She admired their long jumps and the music they made. When she saw locusts, Miwa observed their transformation into swarming creatures. She learned about the environmental triggers for this change and the impact locusts can have on crops, contrasting with the solitary grasshoppers. As night fell, Miwa lay in bed, her mind alive with the day's discoveries. She whispered a goodnight to each insect, appreciating their role in nature. Her dreams were filled with the colors of butterflies, the glow of fireflies, and the songs of cicadas. "Good night, little adventurers," she murmured. "Let's respect and protect these small wonders of nature." And with that, Miwa drifted into a peaceful sleep, her heart and dreams full of the magical world of insects she had explored that day.